Hi, thanks for watching. Haven't done videos for a couple of weeks. I've been busy decorating the house and then going on a holiday. Back now, and I thought I'd show you this book that arrived just before I went on holiday. So, World War II US Army in Europe and the Pacific by this chap here. I won't say it because I'll only get his name wrong. Don't want to insult him. Produced by or printed by Vallejo. Painting and weathering AFE with Vallejo products. So, as you can imagine, it's all their products. Turning the pages, you got a list here of all the vehicles involved, some of the colours, apply with brush, apply a wash, metallic colour, all the little ideas there of what you can do. A list of the author, direction, development, design, layout, painter, etc, etc. Then inside, some of the colours that are used, a history on these two chaps, introduction, and then we go into a full picture of this vehicle, the M3 Stuart, United States Marine Corps, Guadalcanal, Battle of Solomon Islands, 1942, and there it is, built. A few extra detail added, like the brass barrels, some more detail. They look like parts of an Edard set, and the kit there, and all the stuff that is used. And then we go into the stages of painting the tracks, and then the vehicle, how they've done the yellow band, put that on first, and then added tape and gone around it. And it's a step-by-step process of how this chap's painted the vehicle. I won't show all of it because they want you to buy the book. Then we go on to another one, the Dodge, a lot of detail added to this, and then again step by step of how they painted it. It's good to include the tyres, because a lot of people have trouble with those, and then again, as I said, step by step, adding rust texture to inside the vehicle and the camouflage. And there's a map out of what they've used and all the lines to each. Quite a good book. M5A1 Stuart, and this one in the Marshall Islands in 1944, and the camouflage scheme there. And again, there's the basic vehicle built and the detail added, and then again step by step, and showing under here what they've used in regards to pigments and their own washes. Now they've got these effects, and there we go again, using metallic graphite pencils on the on the edges of the teeth of the tracks. Nice little book. How they've done splashes, fuel spiller stains, stuff like that. Spiller stains, spillages. And there you go. And there you go with the LVT A2 from Italieri, and you might want to change the tracks. I've seen other people change the tracks on theirs. I think Accurate Armour do some tracks, and I'm sure there's other people now. And then now they've gone on to paint that as well. And there we go. Moving on, M4A1 Sherman. That's the Dragon one. I think there's issues with the rear idler mounts or something on this, if I remember rightly. I've got one in the stash, and I remember reading about it somewhere. And now he's added the foundry marks where they may be missing from the kit, and sandbags. Again, how to do the tracks, building it up in stages, and there you go again at the end, pointing out what they've used and where. On the Jeep, this may well be the Dragon one, I'm not sure, I haven't read all the bump yet. Again, how it's built, and then painting stages. Sorry, no, it's the Tamiya one, I stand corrected, where they've added the radio there, from looks like a resin set. And again, the map at the end. Going on, Sherman, M4A3, United States Marine Corps, where they used to weld nails on to stop the Japanese getting on, and putting mines, etc. on the sides of the vehicle, and the wooden armour. Nice book, nice clear photos. I'm sure I'll use this. Map at the end, and M4A376W stands for wet, meaning the ammunition was protected in some type of, I think it was some type of gel or coolant, Surely Sherman aficionados will know better than I. And there we go in stages again. I don't know if this is the printing, but that looks really green. But as I turn the pages, it may dull down a little bit, or maybe not. Let's turn them over again for you. Yeah, it dulls down a bit with the addition of the metal plating or fencing, whatever they've used there, and the recognition panel on the back. And again, the pointing out, mapping. And then the last couple of pages, you get colour illustrations of different vehicles, model gallery, diorama. There's 129 pages in the book all told, and as I said, I've seen it between £15 and £22 on the net. I saw it for £22 at a model show at the weekend in Milton Keynes in the UK, and I guess had a couple of quid for stowage, as I said. So yeah, recommend this book. It's quite cheap, and it is various, as it says, in Europe and the Pacific, so it might come in very handy. Thanks for watching. I'll put another video up soon when I'm starting on my next model. Catch you later. Cheerio.